Wondered why some emails land in your inbox while others vanish into the dreaded spam folder? Today we're demystifying email deliverability, what it means, why it's so important, and how to improve it. If your emails aren't getting delivered, your sales won't either. As a certified Klaviyo partner, I've got insider tips to simplify this for you, even if you're a total beginner. Let's make sure your emails reach your customers and not their spam folder. Hi, friends. Welcome back to the Inbox to Income podcast. My name is LIEZLE, and in this little corner of the internet, I share all things email marketing for e commerce stores. Spend less than 10 minutes with me each week, and I'll help you turn store browsers into loyal customers, all in the most cost effective way possible. Whether you're new to email marketing or just need a little confidence boost, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Okay, email deliverability is all about whether your emails land where they're supposed to, in your subscribers' inboxes. Think of it like a soccer or football, for those who just rolled their eyes at me, game. Your goal is to score, meaning get into the inbox. But email providers like Gmail and Yahoo act as goalkeepers, protecting their users. If your email doesn't follow the rules, it could be blocked, redirected to spam, or bounce back. Delivery is when an email is accepted by the service provider, like Gmail. Deliverability is the next step, actually getting into your customer's inbox. It's influenced by things like sender reputation and the type of content you send. But here's the reality. If your emails aren't delivered, your customers won't see your amazing offers, product updates, or cart reminders. And worst of all, you'd have wasted 2 hours writing a kick ass email for no one to read. Poor deliverability means wasted effort, lost sales, and fewer conversions. And with over 300 billion emails sent daily, inbox providers are super picky about what gets through. Your goal is to play by their rules and prove you're a trustworthy sender. Here are 4 easy tips to improve email deliverability. Tip 1 is to clean your email list regularly. Inactive subscribers hurt your sender reputation. And if people aren't opening your emails, inbox providers think you're sending unwanted messages. Now, I know there's a lot of debate around this, like, what if someone re-engages after a year and buys? But here's the truth. Waiting and hoping for that one person to re-engage costs you more in the long run. Why? Because they're dragging your engagement rates down and causing emails to end up in the spam folder for people who are actually ready to buy now. Every quarter, you want to create a segment of inactive subscribers and send a re-engagement email or a flow of 3 emails. If they don't respond, remove them. Your second tip is to authenticate your sending domain using SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Think of these as the official stamps of approval for your emails. They prove to inbox providers that you're legit. This is especially important in today's world with bots and spam everywhere. In Klaviyo, go to Settings and follow the steps to set up a branded sending domain. It's easier than it sounds, and it's a must if you're emailing more than 5,000 people at a time. Side note, if this feels overwhelming, don't worry, I'll be covering it step by step in my upcoming course, Leads on Autopilot, which is launching in January 2025. So to join the waitlist, just check the link in the show notes. The third step is to send relevant, engaging content. Inbox providers track how recipients interact with your emails. High engagements like opens and clicks boost your reputation. Low engagement, they might stop delivering your emails because they assume your audience isn't interested anymore. Your number one goal with every single email you send is to encourage the click. Use segmentation to make your emails more personal. For example, send a discount code to customers who've browsed but haven't bought, like a browse abandonment flow, Or split your customers by product interest. If you're a beauty brand, for instance, send facial care tips to one group and body care content to another. The fourth tip I've got for you is make unsubscribing easy. Now, I know it sounds counterintuitive, but letting people unsubscribe easily keeps spam complaints low, which improves your deliverability. Include a one-click unsubscribe link and a clear unsubscribe button at the bottom of every email. It's better for someone to leave than to mark you as spam. So to recap, improving email deliverability comes down to cleaning your list, authenticating your domain, sending engaging content, and making unsubscribing easy. Start small, pick one tip to implement this week, and we'll watch your open rates improve over the next year. If you need help creating segments that boost your deliverability and engagement, you can download my free Ultimate Email Segmentation Blueprint. It's packed with step-by-step strategies to help you send more relevant, engaging emails that land in the inbox and drive revenue. That's it for today, my friends. Remember, deliverability isn't just about inbox placement. It's about building trust and staying top of mind with your audience. Join me next week for more email marketing tips that will skyrocket your sales and make next year your best one yet. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to grow your e-commerce business and simplify your marketing. If you're ready to dive deeper, grab my free guide with 50 tried and tested subject lines to boost your email open rates. Just check the show notes for the link, and before you go, make sure to watch this recommended video for even more strategies to grow your store. You've got this, my friend.